Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before I show you guys what I've been making with these KSCRAFT cutting dies, I am going to tell you that you will be probably hearing my ceiling fan. I've got my ceiling fan on double. I am running out of good time to do my video because here in Gold Coast, Australia, it's been so hot and humid. So awful in a way. But I am looking forward to my autumn days that will be coming soon, I hope. And in the meantime, I've got to be very patient. So I have been using the KSCRAFT February release sets of the mini books in small size, also the mini books in big size. Then I have used the past release of the 3D book withdrawal set. And then I have used the double layer alphabet set. This you can buy with the alphabet or the number, or you can buy them both together. This is such a great size alphabets and numbers that you can use for so many projects. I am so in love with this alphabet set. So combining all of these, you guys, I made this here. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with the way it turned out. Now when I was starting to make this, I did not have this entire thing in my head at all. It just came together as I was making my little mini book stack. So I have made, I think I have made 4 of these and 4 of these. And then I just combined them all. I tried to stack them in many different ways, and I came up with the way I liked the look of it. And then I went from there, which led me to think of spelling the books. So I cut out the BOOKS from the alphabet set first. Then I thought, I just made a stack of books, so I need another book for the stack of books to sit on. So that's why I made the book drawer. And when I made the book drawer part, I was like, do I need to add a knob or do I need another word? And I thought, oh my gosh, I could write books love or love of books. And I thought, okay, let me cut out the LOVE. And guess what, you guys? It was perfect size to fit my drawer part. Can you see? Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And because I am also using my coffee themed papers, I use the Stemperia coffee and chocolate paper throughout. If I did run out of some paper, I did mix some Maggie Holmes paper or like DCWV collection that had the pattern of the books. And I did use some Rosie Studio rainbow stripes. So instead of scoring the lines to make this part look like book pages, I chose a pattern paper that already had the thin lines. So I thought that was a fun thing to do. So for my books up here, to make these books, you guys, what you have to do is you just simply have to cut this out once. Then these are all the glue flaps, okay? But what you do when you cut this piece out is you add glue to this bit here, you curl the paper, then this glue flap is gonna go onto this side. Then you also have this bit here for the book pages. Once you put the glue here and glued it to here, you're going to have like a little arch. So you're going to hold it down flat on your desk, and then let me get this piece out to show you. I was going to save a piece of paper and show you guys how to make the book, but it's really easy, nice and simple. Like, don't get intimidated by this, okay? So once you glue this to here, you're going to have like a little arch book with all of these showing, and then you just add glue to this piece here at the back. Then you hold the front and the back piece, squeeze it a bit, then glue this on top, and it holds it there. Okay, so that's how you form the books. So I have done that, and I made all of these books using this Stamperia pattern paper. I made sure to capture some of the nice words. So this one says coffee lover. I also did fussy cut out the good mood tag from another piece of paper that I had left, and then I glued it onto top part of this little book here. So on the back, even the back, I decorated with some of my Journal Say coffee theme stickers that I recently hauled. It's so nice and it's so fun. And I also fussy cut out this delicious word part from the Stamperia collection, added it to the side of the book. So if you can see, the mini book size in the small have a narrower finish, and then the ones that are bigger have the more fatter size page or book thickness. Okay, see, that's how I stacked them, 2 together. I put 3 different sizes up here in the middle, then I put 3 here. It's just really fun. Have a play. If you already have the 3D book withdrawal set and you'd like to make what I made, it is just so fun, you guys. And then you don't even have to use the love books. You can actually come up with different words to add to the side of your book stack. But this is just such a happy project that I ended up with, and I'm so super excited. So I was thinking, do I also need to add another knob on top of the word? But I realized, no, you don't, because I used the thick foam. Now with my words, I cut my words using this one. This is like a 2mm foam, which I got from Panda Haul, and it has an adhesive backing, so it was so easy and fast for me to just cut it out and then stick it onto my copper background. Then I also cut out another one using a Stamperia pattern paper and finished it off with the pattern on the top. The bottom one, I did not need the shadow background because I already used the copper for my book drawer page part. And because it's 2mm, you guys, I want to show you. It's very easy to pull out. See? Because of the thickness, that these letters became my drawer pull. See? Oh my gosh. So I can actually make lots of embellishments, fill it, and send it off in a happy mail if I wanted to send a coffee themed mail to someone in the future. But I absolutely love this, and I think this is a really wonderful display piece I ended up with, and I'm so happy with it. So happy. See how it, like, the letters really make everything look so I don't know, like a really nice attractive look for a really good display. I just really love this so much. I love the little punch out holes on the alphabet design as well. So fun. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to share this one with you guys today because it is a really hot and humid day here in Gold Coast, Australia. Thank you so much everybody for being here listening to me. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye for now.